In this video, we'll show you how to change the radiator on your Honda Civic. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Honda Civic Car Battery. You need to drain the coolant circuit. For more information, we recommend that you watch our video, How to Perform a Coolant Flush Honda Civic. To change the radiator on your vehicle, you also need to remove the radiator support upper tie bar to gain full access. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Radiator Support Upper Tie Bar Honda Civic. Disconnect the AC condenser cooling fan power connector by pressing the tab and pulling on it. Using a fork, remove the retaining clip from the electrical harness on the fan. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, remove the two AC condenser cooling fan retaining bolts. Then remove it. Using adjustable pliers or the tool used in the video, compress the coolant hose's retaining rings. Then remove the hoses. Disconnect the radiator fan power connector by pressing the tab and pulling on it. Using a fork, remove the retaining clip from the electrical harness on the fan. Using a 10mm wrench, remove the two radiator fan retaining bolts. Then remove it. Disconnect the electrical connector located at the bottom of the radiator by pressing the plastic tab. Next, using a fork, unclip the electrical harness located on the radiator. Using adjustable pliers or the tool used in the video, compress the coolant hose retaining ring located at the bottom of the radiator. Then remove the hose. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. You can now lift the radiator to free the two rubber insulators at the bottom of the radiator and extract it through the top. Using a 17mm wrench, unscrew the coolant temperature sensor. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the locking clip holding the lower radiator hose connector. Then remove it. Retrieve the two rubber insulators from the old radiator. You can order the radiator used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new radiator. Then remove the shutter from the sensor. Take the sensor, screw it back in roughly by hand. Finish tightening using the wrench. Place the two lower rubber insulators on the radiator. If they look worn, we recommend replacing them with new ones. Then remove the shutter from the lower duct. Put the hose connector back in place. Then lock it. Take the new radiator. You can now put the radiator back in place by inserting the two rubber insulators into their slots. You can now reconnect the lower radiator hose. Then lock it. Reconnect the sensor connectors. Then put the retaining clip back in place. Take the AC condenser cooling fan. You can now install the fan assembly by inserting the three lugs into their rubber insulators. And screw it back on. Take the radiator fan. Put the fan assembly back in place by inserting the lugs into their rubber insulators. And screw it back on. Reclip the various harnesses and reconnect the two fan power connectors. Clip the coolant hoses back onto the fan assembly. Then put the hose clamps back in place. Put the radiator support upper tie bar back in place. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Radiator Support Upper Tie Bar, Honda Civic. Reconnect the battery. Now you need to refill the radiator with coolant and purge any air from the circuit. For more information, we recommend that you watch our video, How to Perform a Coolant Flush, Honda Civic. Operation complete.